Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to subtract in Google Sheets. So I prepared two examples and I'm going to show you the most common ways. Alright, let's get started with the first example. I added two numbers, number 1 500 and number 2 300. And now I would like to subtract these two. Great thing I just found out in Google Sheets is I wrote here subtract, and the great thing is Google Sheets now knows what I want to do and it is going to help me. So the first thing is I'm going to use the equal sign and I add in the first number, and now you can see it's already helping me. It suggests a formula. In order to do so, I just can click on it and it will give me the right result. So 500 minus 300 is 200. I'm just going to do it once again so we can do it together. Alright, so equal sign, and then I click on the first number, 500, so it's D5, and then I just use the minus sign in order to subtract. So now I enter the second number, the 300 in E5, and now I hit enter, and as you can see, now I get 200. Perfect. Alright, that was the first way. The second way is to use the minus function. I just write minus, and then I open up the brackets, and now I don't need the minus sign, I just need to select both of the values. So I click on 500 and now I do a comma, and now I select the value in E5, which is the 300. I close the brackets and I hit enter. Perfect. Also we get to the 200. Really good. So these are the two main ways: use the minus sign or the minus function. And now I'm going to show you what you can do with the subtraction, because you can also embed it into other functions, which is really helpful. Let's suppose here we have stocks of apples and bananas, and we have a current count of 200 apples and 60 bananas, and we have daily sales. So we have to subtract the daily sales from the current stock to get the actual stock. Alright, for this we can use the array formula, and within the array formula we can just use subtraction. Let's get started. I show you how to do that. We start with the equal sign and then we write array formula. Once we start to write it, we can just select it here when it's suggested. If you don't have these suggestions or formula helps, there is a question mark in the beginning. Sometimes you need to click on that so you get this additional help. Alright, let's get started with the array formula. For this, we select the first value here. It's in E13. So we write E13 to E14, so we have the second value as well, and now we just add the minus sign, so the line here, and we add the second set, which is F13 to F14, and now I close the brackets and I can just hit enter, and it should subtract both of these values and just give us this result right here. Let's put enter. Perfect. As you can see, 195, that's 200 minus 5, and 50, that's 60 minus 10. Perfect. So we use the array formula, and within this formula we use the minus. Alright, I showed you how to subtract in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like, hit the notification bell so you're always notified, and follow our channel. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you again soon. Bye bye.